Hi, it's Allison from Mahalo.com. Today we're factoring quadratic expressions. Here's our expression right here, and we're going to see if we can factor it. Now when we factor, we're going to actually break it up into two pieces. Now we need to get an x in both of them so that when we multiply this out, we get our x squared. Now at this point, it's sort of hard to know where to go next. So if you look at these signs, it'll give you a good hint. Since we have a minus sign here, it means that we're going to have one plus sign and one minus sign in our two parts of the expression here. That way, when we multiply together, we'll get this negative. So at this point, we just have to figure out which two numbers we can multiply together to get 12 and add or subtract to get 1, which is what's in front of our x here. The factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Now 3 and 4 look pretty promising because they're only 1 apart. So if I were to add 3 to negative 4, I'd get a negative 1, but I want a positive 1. So let's do it the other way. Let's make it a positive 4 and a negative 3. Now I'm going to multiply this back out again using the FOIL method, and you'll see that it's the right factorization. So x times x gives us x squared. X times minus 3 is minus 3x. 4 times x, a positive 4 times x, is plus 4x. And then positive 4 times negative 3 is minus 12. Now if we simplify this, we get x squared minus 3x plus 4x gives us 1 positive x, and we have minus 12. And that's exactly the expression we started with. So we know that this is the correct factorization. Now, if you don't like factoring or you're having trouble with it, you can use the quadratic formula to solve quadratic equations. What you would do is set this expression equal to 0 and then plug the values into the quadratic formula to find these roots. If you want more information on the quadratic formula, check out our series of lessons on it. And that's one way to factor a quadratic expression. Thanks for learning with me today. If you have any questions on this topic or anything having to do with math, please click on the links or send us a request to requests@mahalo.com. See you later.